In this video, you will be learning about browsing in Chrome, Part 2. This video includes information on how to open new tabs, about browsing history, and more. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Our profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. To open a link in a new tab. Tabs can also make it easier to browse the web. If you find a link to a website, you can open that link in a new tab. This allows you to open the site without losing your place on the original page. First, right-click the link you want to open. Then select Open Link in New Tab from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, hover the mouse over the link, then press the scroll wheel on your mouse. The website will open a new tab. Click the tab to view the website. Managing tabs. Tabs can be moved, pulled in and out of windows, and even pinned into place for easy access. To move tabs, first click and drag the tab you wish to move. Then release the mouse when you have moved the tab to the desired position. To pin tabs. If there are some pages you use every time you open your browser, like your email or calendar, you might consider pinning the tab. Pinned tabs will automatically open whenever you start Chrome, making your favourite pages easy to access. First, right-click the desired tab, then select Pin tab from the drop-down menu. Then the pinned tab will appear as a smaller tab in the top left corner of the browser. To unpin a tab, right-click it and then select Unpin tab from the drop-down menu. Browsing history. Like all browsers, Chrome saves details and cookies from every website you visit, which you can view from the History tab. Chrome uses some of this information to decrease load times for sites you visit regularly. Chrome also allows you to search your history to find a previously viewed page and delete your history for the sake of privacy. To view your browsing history, first click the Chrome menu in the top right corner of the browser. Then hover the mouse over History and select History. Alternatively, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. Then the History tab will appear with your full browsing history. The history includes every site you've viewed in the last few weeks. The list is sorted by date, so the most recent history appears at the top of the page. Downloading files. Chrome can display many different types of documents, media, and other files, such as PDF and MP3 files. But there may be times when you'll want to access a file outside of the browser. To do this, you'll need to download the file directly to your computer. For example, suppose you need to complete and print a form you find online. You could download it to your computer, then open it with the appropriate program, such as Microsoft Word, to edit it. To download a file using Save Link As, if you click a link to a file, it may download automatically. However, depending on the file type, it may just open within the browser. To prevent a file from opening in Chrome, you can use Save Link As to download it to your computer. First, right-click the file you wish to download, then select Save Link As. Then a dialog box will appear. Select the location where you wish to save the file, enter a file name and click Save. Your Downloads folder will be selected by default. The file will begin downloading, and the download progress will appear in the lower left corner of the browser. When the download is complete, simply click the file to open it. For various reasons, many websites do not allow you to download content. For example, YouTube does not offer ways to download its videos. To access your downloads, the Downloads tab allows you to view and manage all of your downloads. First, click the Chrome menu in the top right corner of the browser. Then select Downloads. The Downloads tab will appear. From here, you can open previously downloaded files, search for downloads, or clear the list of downloads if desired. Now that you've learned about browsing in Chrome, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.